statistically, we are somewhere 12% of the population. And you say one half of 1% of the wealth.
That's right.
And if the black community were able to achieve an equality of wealth to the percentage that it is of the nation, what a different conversation.
It'll be a totally different issue. See, the rule of thumb in group economics is this, is that your money should bounce 8 to 12 times before it leaves your hands. We have nothing now. You got to go back and rebuild these communities. Then start marking your money. And see, now I got a dollar bill. I'm going to put a check mark on this dollar bill. I'm going to make sure that before this dollar bill leaves the black hand, it must have at least 12 marks on it. And once you start doing that, you start practicing group economics. Because right now we don't practice that group economics. As soon as a black person gets